Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Casio Edifice EFS-S650YD-2AJF. Having long been a fan of Casio, I was excited to see this new addition to the Edifice series featuring a sleek sporty design and a ceramic bezel. The watch is solar powered and currently available in either green, black or blue. Upon first viewing, my eyes were immediately drawn to the deep blue polished ceramic bezel and matching dial. I found the interplay with light to be quite dazzling due to the polished silver tone hands reflector rings as well as brushed and polished baton indices. Similar to other Edifice models, this too contains lume on the hands. I find it dims within a few minutes, but I don't mind as I feel the watch makes up for it in other areas. Protecting these features is a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on the inside. Beneath the face is a solar power 5529 movement which has a number of functions including these. According to Casio, this watch can operate for up to 5 months when fully charged and has an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds a month. Housing the movement is a brushed and polished stainless steel case with a snapback and push-pull crown. This has a water-resistant rating of up to 100 meters. According to my caliper, this measures at approximately 41 millimeters with a height of 47 millimeters. The watch also features a brushed and polished stainless steel integrated bracelet with a deployant clasp. I feel this band complements the design of the case. As far as thoughts go, I am happy with this new stylish Edifice edition. I like the functions, fluid design, eye-catching dial, as well as the addition of a matching ceramic bezel. After wearing this for several weeks, I have found it to be comfortable, reliable, and even a conversation starter. I feel that the overall quality of the watch is great value for the price. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.